Hi guys, I just received a bunch of cues from a friend that sent over to me. It was very nice to that person. So I have all the way from 2 by 2, 3 by 3, 4 by 4, all the way up to 10 by 10. So I'm just gonna open them and see how they perform. So this is 2 by 2. It's not recommended for children less than 3 years of age. Maybe there's some small parts. Right. Ooh. So it's got the instruction sheet here for 2 by 2. Very nice. It's both in Chinese and English. And here's the tip. It's very smooth. Maybe you can adjust the tension a little bit, but it turns very nicely. Yeah, 2 by 2. Nice. All right, 3 by 3. This is competition grade. Oh, also instruction sheet, Chinese and English. Both. Very smooth action. Stickers are very nice. These stickers have textures in it, so it has a really good feel for the hand. Yeah. 4 by 4. Instruction sheet for the 4 by 4. Unfortunately, the instruction only comes with the Chinese version, no English. But the pictures are pretty good. You can follow. It's got arrows on the move. So, and it also has the 5 by 5 instructions as well for the 4 by 4 package. The sound of this, it's really nice. Much nicer than the 3 by 3. 3 by 3 sounds like pretty dull. This is like clicky sounds. Nice. I also have the 5 by 5. It's also got the instructions. I guess it's the same as the 4 by 4. So, yeah. Unfortunately, no English. This sounds a little bit different than 4 by 4, but it's really smooth. Yeah, very good. And these are all the Shenzhou brand. For the in Chinese it's called Shengshou. Where's the brand? Shengshou. I guess on the 4 by 4 package. Anyway, all right. Let's skip the 6 by 6 because that's a different brand. Oh, 7 by 7 here, Shenzhou. 7 by 7. No more instructions, but I guess if you can solve a 4 by 4 and a 5 by 5, you can solve anything above. This is not as smooth as the 5 by 5, and the stickers are a little bit different. The stickers are smooth stickers. It doesn't have texture like these. Yeah, this one needs some adjustment. but overall it's pretty good. I need to adjust the tension on these, so you can adjust by taking out the center piece. There's a cap. Let me use a tweezer. There you go. Take off this and use the screwdriver to adjust to the tension that you like. I'll do that later. Here we go. 8x8 magic cube. This is never lock. Yeah, this one is also a little bit too tight. And also for the bigger cubes, the corner pieces are larger than the center, so that it's it will physically fit better. And some of the stickers are coming off, so I guess next time I should get the stickers with the texture. This has to be a little better. Yep. That's the 8x8, 9x9. Ooh. This one was opened by someone in the house, so he decided to make these nice patterns, which is pretty nice. Yeah, equally smooth as the 8x8, and the stickers are put on pretty nicely. And yeah, so for the bigger cubes, you would have to, when you solve, you have to put on the table to make it flat. And then finally the 10x10. Wow, this is heavy. 10x10. Notice how the corner pieces are much larger than the center pieces. Like if you look at this 7x7 and then 10x10, you can see the corner is a lot larger. And yeah, this one is a little bit too tight also. I need to adjust. I think it's in the middle. See, the tension adjustment screw, it's in the middle. So I can just put in the screwdriver and then adjust it. Yeah, so these are all the Shensho cube. Is recommended for age 14 or older. Right, let's look at the 6x6. It's by a different brand. It's called the X Cube 5 brand. This one is a little bit different. It's not like this straight corner one. It's more like they call it the bread shaped one. It looks like a piece of a loaf of bread, sort of. It fits your hand better. Pretty smooth, but it kind of like locks up a little bit. Yeah, also the tension is a little bit tight. I should be able to find the screw here and adjust the tension, which I'll do that later. But this one, it has a really good feel to it. And actually the corner piece is smaller than the center because it kind of like curves. Yeah, nice cubes. I'll solve all these someday when I have time. Thanks for watching.